In today's video, let's talk about some replies to the phrase welcome on board or welcome aboard. So before we get into that, it's very important to open up Google and go to 1 minute English welcome on board reply. So the reason why we're going to the website now is because when you read something, it really sticks in your head. Okay, so not the Facebook page, but the actual website. This is also great if you want to send an email. You can just copy and paste all the responses that I put on the website here. So I'll give you a quick second to do that. Just type in 1 minute English welcome on board reply. So you can read through the blog post here and get lots and lots of examples of what you can say in this situation. So let's get into responding to welcome on board. So this could be a situation where you just start a new job, right? And your team has said welcome on board. So what can you say? So some common welcome phrases are welcome to the team. This is a friendly way to get new employees. And welcome on board, welcome aboard, right? Those two mean the same thing. It's just a different way of saying the same thing. It's just a nice, friendly way to say you're welcome to the team, or it could be in any situation where you're joining some other group. So there are different ways to think about it, right? You can think about it in a kind of casual, friendly response. So this is probably what I would do for most companies, unless it's something maybe formal with the government or something like that. So these are some responses that you can use. Thank you so much. I am happy to be part of the team, right? That's a very standard response and perfectly acceptable. The second one here, thank you for your warm welcome. Looking forward to meeting you soon, right? This is for an email specifically, right? If it's in person, you wouldn't say that, okay? The next one, thanks. I can't wait to meet you all, okay? That's saying that you're interested in meeting all the rest of the team, okay? Oftentimes you get the email and you need to, send it to them and you will meet the team the next week. Okay, you can also choose to go for more professional responses. So you can just say simple, thank you. I'm looking forward to meeting you. Simple, that's neutral and very professional, right? The next one, thank you. I am sure it will be a pleasure to work with you. Simple, neutral, formal. The last one here, thank you for welcoming me to the team. I'm looking forward to meeting you all. Again, that's probably just very neutral, right? You're not showing too casual or anything. It's just super positive, professional. That's what you want. Very good. And the next one is something a bit more ambitious. Maybe you want to show straight away that you're very ambitious, right? You can say, thank you. I'm sure we will achieve a lot together. I think that depends, right, on the boss and your own, how you feel about, do you want to show that you're super ambitious and you want to get going, get working? I personally like that a lot. But let's see the next one then. Thank you. I look forward to becoming a driving force in this company. That's really, really, really ambitious, right? So you want to just be like, I'm really ready to get started, okay? Depends on you if you want to use that one. So when choosing your response, consider your personality, right? So just think about how you usually act. Are you more laid back or are you more ambitious? Or you should kind of think about, use the language that matches your personality, right? In my case, I'm usually quite relaxed and friendly. I prefer that kind of demeanor in the workplace. So I'd probably choose something a bit more casual. You also need to think about the company culture. Okay, so if it's a very formal company, then yeah, you want to be professional. But if it's, one of these new tech firms where everyone's dressed, quite smart casual, then I think a casual approach is better, or maybe even the ambitious approach. And the last thing to think about is think about your goals. All right. So what type of message should you be sending to your new boss? So the importance of first impressions, right? Always try to respond to the email as quickly as you can. The people are waiting, they want to see, who are you? Is this person, responding quickly? It definitely helps you to build relationships and set expectations. Okay, so maybe they're thinking, is this person ready to start working? Are they able to do, certain tasks? How good is their English? Stuff like that. And how willing are they to get involved in the team? So very important, these little phrases and first communication with your new team. So you can also use AI for email writing. Okay, you can use tools like ChatGPT. I am an expert at ChatGPT and AI for writing, so it's really, really helpful, but it can also get you into trouble. All right, so you need to have the right education, learn how to use these tools correctly, because sometimes it can be wrong. It can make you sound like a robot, stuff like that. Okay, so it's very important to use them correctly, but you can actually do so much. I see so many people, they don't know how to use these these tools correctly, and they are just a bit lost with using them. So I actually have a course, right, about writing with ChatGPT. I actually write professionally now with AI tools. I present my writing to my clients and I edit it. So my first draft is often with AI, and then I edit and I use different prompting, right? These are different ordering. There's different ways that you order the AI tool to get what you want, right? So if you want to have a look at this course, I'll leave a link in the first comment down below. So that's it for this video. Tell me what you learned from this video in the comments down below. If you're interested in buying the course, you can just click the buy now button. Thanks for watching.